trial and error, ano, na mapag-distribute ng modules. So, trial and error tayo. Nagsimula muna tayo sa barangay, tapos sa school, and then nagkaroon ng isang system. Tapos pagka may mga loophole or mayroong diferensya na may pwedeng magkaroon ng hindi ma-observe ang social distancing, what do? We modify it. So that itself is already a research. So the trial and error, the experiment is also part of a research. So this is the basic principle because every child matters. This comes from Diosdado San Antonio. You know what, sabi pa nga niya sa isang talk niya sa PICC, this is important to me because every child matters. So walang talagang maiiwan. Like for example, i-take nyo na ang anak nyo ay yung child na merong disability. So kailangan natin gumawa ng isang research that is related with disability na hindi siya ma-left behind. So, ayan yung mga ilan sa example kung bakit tayo kailangan gumawa ng research. Kasi tayo po yung dahilan at tayo po yung magbibigay sa kanila ng baseline or evidences bakit nila kailangan i-push yung ganong desisyon. So, ang laki ng role natin, di ba, as educator. There is a 10-point basic education agenda. Ayan, pumili na po kayo. One is a 12-year basic education cycle. Humaba ang cycle natin, di ba? From grade 1, from kinder to grade 12. So it's a 12-year education cycle. In fact, 11 kasama pa kinder. Okay? And the universal preschooling for all. Remember na ang lahat ay ini-standardize natin. So whatever the education here in the Philippines is, it should be the same education or the competencies that is being taught as well in other countries. This is the reality. Okay? And the third one is the establishment of Madaris education, a subsystem in the current education system. So itong Madaris education, this is, ang alam ko kasi is madrasa. But this education is also different, like, para siyang ganito, yung mga indigenous education. So, iba-iba yung approach. So, it's also a system by the DepEd. Reintroduce technical and vocational education in public high school. So, ano yung mga technical and vocational education sa mga public high school? We've got the TVL there. So, alam natin na ang mga textbook natin, after graduation, usually they really ask for employment and look for employment instead of going through a college degree. So ano yung mga yun? Dapat useful para sa kanila. And it is really very useful kasi ang dami na natin mga senior high school graduate, they are really working and they have permanent job na din. Every child, a reader, should be a reader by grade 1. So kailangan gumawa ka ng strategy. So like yung 20-day, meron yung parang system na ginagawa yung ibang teacher eh. In 20 days, day 1 to day 20, i-observe yan. May ginagawa silang strategy para makabasa sa day 20 yung grade 1. Ayan. So syempre, with the observation na dapat gamit ay mother tongue and others. So improve science and mathematics. So yung mga ginagawa nating investigatory project, mga ginagawa nila, Sir Sani, na mga modules that could be inside the number 6. Okay? Nila Ma'am Risa na mga researches, it will fall on number 6. Number 7, expand government assistance to private education. So this time, ang concern naman dito is more of private schools. Okay? The 8 mother language instruction, usually ito ay para sa mga elementary grades 1 to 3, and better textbook. So, sino ba ang nagagawa ng textbook? Merong tagagawa si DepEd. However, kagaya ngayon, ang module, ang mga writer ay galing din sa mga teacher. Okay? And build more schools in cooperation with local government units. So yung mga project na kagaya ng ginagawa nila Sir Isa, nila Ma'am Lani, that could be part of the research. Pag na-enhance at na-increase yung cooperation at saka yung involvement ng LGUs, meaning to say, yung project na ginagawa nila, yung ginagawa nilang program is effective. Okay? So to move on, ang lahat ng sinasabi ko, diba, may commercial. Teka lang po yung baby ko. So lahat na ito ay nakaangkla sa RA 10533 na it should be relevant, responsive, and research-based. So ang session ko na pagka ikaw ay nag-discuss according to my research, according to the research that was made last, ganito. Yeah, I'm really using it. So my first ever po na research is something to do with financial literacy and saving decision of ABM students. That was 2016 po. At talagang yun yung nagamit ko na baseline data para po ulit gumawa po ulit na isang research at gumawa po ulit ng isa pang research. Nakatatlo kami doon. So ang kasama ko po doon na researcher ay si Ma'am Lynette at si Sir Treus. Alam niyo po lumabas, our students are financially literate. They know how to manage their money well. However, they cannot able to save. Only to find out, wala naman pala talaga silang isi-save. Kasi on the average, ang ating mga senior high school students, ang parents nila, ang sweldo every month ng magulang na pinagsama ang nanay at tatay, solo parent man yan, hindi solo parent, extended family man yan, ang average po ay nasa 5,000 lang. And ang average family size is 4 to 5. So, meaning to say, from that research itself, kailangan ako, kung ako ang member ng family ng isang senior high school, kailangan ako ay gumastos lamang na hindi lalampas sa 1,000 sa isang buwan. Or else you cannot able to pay your bills like the electricity, the food, yan. Ang daming mapapompromise. So ano po yung naging solution doon? We might introduce a small business for them kasi they really cannot able to save because there's nothing to save. So ang ginawa namin, nagawa kami ng isang project. So dumating doon sa point na may mga estudyante na kumikita sila ng 60 pesos in a day. So nagagamit na nila yun pang pa-print, pang photocopy, pang bili ng mga Manila paper. That was 2017-18. So nakikita nyo, may dahilan kung bakit namin ginawa. Hindi dahil gusto lang namin. We need to inculcate in the mind of our students that they can do something even if they are just senior high school students pa. So, on top of it, yung ating SSG president na si Jonald Millanes, hindi natin maipagkakaila, he's doing business. When the time that he is still studying in our school, nagtitinda siya ng maruya and lumpia, and yet he's an honor student. Tapos SSG president pa siya. So this is something really very interesting that we taught our students to be responsible and committed to the responsibilities that was given to them. Ayan. Ito yung mga ilan sa mga example ng mga researchers. That's why I'm really engaged to research. This is true. This is really the things that happen. Nangyari talaga siya. At sa mismong senior high school talaga. So, andito yung mga, kahit po kayo ay pumunta sa PICC or kung saan man po na under ng DepEd, meron po tayong mga research agenda. This is according to DepEd number 39 series of 2016. Ano-ano yon? Ito po yung sinabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Lagi pong every time na nagre-research ako, nandun ako lagi karaniwan sa number 1. Ma'am Genevieve, Ma'am Lisa, and Sir Creus, Ma'am Lynette, Sir Shani, we've been doing mostly teaching and learning. So, halimbawa, gumawa kayo ng strategy na think, pair, and share, tapos kakaiba yung ginawa ninyo, you try to innovate, that will already fall on teaching and learning. Kasi this involves how you will improve teaching your subject gamit yung innovation nyo na yun. Yan. Like for example, alam nyo, may gumagawa nito, no? Para maging on time ang ating student to come on class. Magbibigay kayo ng 3 question, tapos it should be answered exactly like 8 to 8:50 yung class nyo. You'll be giving it that exactly 8 o'clock. Tapos, kung sino yung makakasagot, sila yung magkakaroon ng additional points. Or di kaya naman perfect na agad nila yung performance task kasi they attend already on time, yung mga ating ODL. Kasi yan po yung dilemma natin eh. Hindi natin pwedeng i-extend kasi we're just allowed 50 minutes and therefore minsan waiting time pa 15 minutes. Ay, ilang minuto na lang yung ituturo mo, di ba? So that is a strategy. So pagka nakita nyo effective yun, meaning to say, you are effective.
Kasi bakit? Na-establish mo sa isip ng estudyante mo na paggising ko, kailangan bago mag 8 o'clock